Hi.
Hi, welcome to Under the Whispering Pines.
I can't wait to see it.
Well, come on in.
Wow, it's so pretty from outside.
Thank you so much.
Nikki, first impressions, stunning.
Well, thank you so much.
And we're in the coach house right now.
Yes, we are.
And the main house we just walked through.
Yes.
Cozy.
Yes.
Beautiful, very homey.
Yes.
And was that the idea behind it when you started it?
Absolutely, yes. We bought this house about 7 years ago, and I think when we first drove up the drive, all I could think of was that it was magical. We sort of turned it into our own. So as you came in the front, you saw we had that cozy little fireplace on the right-hand side. The stone, very old, again, trying to pay homage to this place that was built in the 1800s. Magical is the word that our guests use most often, but they also say that they feel very at home here. It's very cozy, and they love the mix of the old with the new.
And Nikki, you actually live on the property.
Yes, we do.
So was it always your intent to rent it out to guests?
No, not at all.
How did that happen?
Well, it was basically an evolution. So when we moved in here, we decided to renovate and make it our own. They asked us, so do you rent out the whole house or just this part of the house? And I said no twice. And then by the third time I got asked if we rent out the entire property, my answer was yes. Yeah.
Okay.
We're on to something here. So that's kind of the way that it evolved into what it is now.
Very nice. And have you got personal touches around the property that are special to you?
Everywhere. In fact, I've got one right here.
Okay, let me guess. This?
Yes, yeah. When we were envisioning this space, the key focal point was to have this fireplace. And what's really, really special about it is that the stones on the bottom, the foundation of the fireplace, are actually from my grandparents' home. I'm so blessed to have them as the foundation of our fireplace, but also the foundation of my life.
Oh, that's so lovely.
Thank
it was meant
you.
to be.
It was. I think it was. Yeah, it's very special.
I think this might be my favorite room, but I want to know what yours is.
Honestly, I think it's the primary and the ensuite bathroom. We put in this big, beautiful tub. It's one of my favorite places in the house.
And then upstairs, you've got a little loft area,
Yes,
is that right?
Yes, it's above the garage. We've got a bunch of skylights up there and lots of windows.
I think I wouldn't want to leave if I was staying here because it's just so cozy and lovely. But I imagine there's things to do around the area as well.
Absolutely. In fact, we have a partnership with Langdon Hall, which is about a 2-minute drive from here. It is a relais and chateau. Any of our guests that are staying with us, they will come and pick you up in their chauffeur and take you to Langdon, where you can experience anything at the spa, or you could go there for lunch or dinner. And then they will also give you a 10% discount on all of the services that you get. And they will also take you back here for free.
Very nice.
Yeah.
VIP service.
VIP service, yes, exactly.
So the place is stunning, but we haven't even talked about the outside yet.
Well, why don't you go outside and find Daryl, my partner, and I'll get some bubbles ready.
That sounds like a great idea.
Okay.
Hi, Daryl.
Hi.
Good to meet you.
Good to meet you. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
So I heard all about the inside from Nikki. What about this here?
We have our 9-foot deep heated pool, our fire pit over here where we like to have fires in the evening, roast some marshmallows, weenies. We're surrounded by all these beautiful pine trees that help make it the tranquil place that it is.
So Daryl, after an active day, what do you do to relax here in the evenings?
That's just it. I like to just relax and find a place to sit, whether it be in the shade, in the sun, or at the bar. It's nice to just sit down and have a cocktail and take it easy and enjoy.
What's going on over here, guys?
Nice.
Hey.
What is this?
Got a little bubbly for
Thank
you
you.
and for you.
Hi, thank you.
You're welcome.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Nikki, I know you mentioned Langdon Hall, and I've been thinking about it ever since because I feel like I need a massage.
Girl, you are speaking my language. Shall we go?
Let's go.
Hey, what about me?
Girls' night. Sorry, Daryl.
Ah.
I might get a manicure too, actually.